Public Crypto Investment Platform Usage Experience. Today, we're diving into the Public Crypto Investment Platform, a streamlined, user-friendly tool designed for investors of all levels, from beginners to seasoned pros. Public stands out by combining cryptocurrency trading with a community-driven approach, allowing users to not only buy and sell crypto, but also learn from other investors. This platform is designed with simplicity in mind, offering a sleek interface that makes navigating the crypto market less intimidating. Key features include a transparent fee structure, no account minimums, and a built-in educational hub that provides insights into cryptocurrencies, market trends, and investment strategies. One of its standout aspects is the ability to follow and interact with other users, fostering a collaborative environment where you can see others' trades, learn from their experiences, and even share your own journey. Public caters to the modern investor who values access to real-time data and intuitive tools without the noise of overly complex charts or jargon-heavy interfaces. The platform also integrates with traditional investment options like stocks and ETFs, making it ideal for those looking to diversify their portfolios seamlessly. Security is a top priority with robust encryption, multi-factor authentication, and compliance with industry standards to ensure your funds and data remain safe. In my experience, Public is perfect for anyone looking to start investing in crypto or expand their existing portfolio. Setting up an account was quick and straightforward, and the onboarding process guided me through the basics of buying and selling. The platform's fractional investment feature is a game changer, allowing you to purchase a fraction of a coin with as little as $1, making high-priced cryptocurrencies accessible to everyone. Real-time notifications keep you updated on market shifts, and the in-app community adds an engaging social element that makes learning about crypto feel less isolating. Overall, Public delivers an intuitive, transparent, and secure experience tailored for investors at any level. Whether you're dipping your toes into crypto for the first time, or you're a seasoned trader looking for a streamlined platform with a social edge, Public is worth exploring.